Hi, it's been a while I've made my videos about the people, which was a misconceptions in educations. Today I have some times for my new video, which will be about organizing my things in my room. So let's get started. So what we have right now is some watches and some cars. There's a bunch of cars in here. And some guitar picks, which I play the guitar. Some batteries, some cables. This is a low-cut glue for my brother's screen repair. And this is a lightning and a SATA cable. Also here we have the UV light, which was for this low-cut glue. That's some screws for my additional pan, some projects, and this is the wireless charging coil which has a 10 watts of fast charging. I can use this also for my another projects, and here I have my iFixit kit, some LEDs. In here we have some more, so let's I think I don't have many space in here, so let's get this out. Also, what we have here is my Arduino and some like open source projects like. So when I was thinking about making this all into organized, as this box for some harmful materials like batteries and solders, or even some electrical things or some fragiles into here, and other things will go into here. And for this too, I will make some separators using this what is this called, yoga mat. So yeah, I think this will make things separated and organized. What I'm going to do is making this box upside down and fit them in here and press it, and use a marker to mark these traces and cut it. So take a trace, and I think it should be more some smaller, because just have a gap in here, so we should have this. That's right, I have to put it straight and make a mark in this way, so I have to do it again. So it's not clear, but it will do the job. So let's cut it. here that hard, but it's in the rough because this is not like paper or plastic or something. This is an easy task to do it, and you organize things. So I think this will get in just like this, and it's just in here like this, right? It's not bad, but it has some artifacts like here, or just like gaps in here. This is good. I think maybe I can do this in like 2 or 3 if needed. So yeah, so let's do it. And what I'm gonna do now is covering this box of things onto the yoga mats to separate them from like these or other bad materials from going out from here, and we can put things a little bit more to the top of this because it can burn, and maybe high pressure make the things inside here can have malfunction or like blow up or something. Yeah, so let's do the rest. In. And it's done? Yeah, I think it's good. Awesome. So from this like your mat to this one and this one and yeah, this thing. So I think it's done. Yeah, I can put it in there, so it's stored more. I think it's better than before because it's more safe and more step up organized. So so I think this is good, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video, and check my Instagram or Discord and other things like that, so you can keep connected with me. I am Chao from WonITKorea, and thanks for watching.